Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable showing content from reminders in Siri Search, so this one right here on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, swipe down, tap on reminders, then go to the Siri Search, and once you're here you want to disable showing content in search. So now if you start searching and you want to search something and this word is going to be content from the reminders, it is not going to be shown right here. Otherwise, if you turn on this option, it is going to be shown. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!